So Buffalo Wild Wings concept is based in the ultimate social experience for sports fans. It's the stadium away from the stadium. What Buffalo Wild Wings has that other concepts don't is the experience, which is why this cutting edge technology is so important to us.
Well, we wanted top of the line technology, and as you can see when you walked into Buffalo Wild Wings, everything we have here at Buffalo Wild Wings is top of the line. So when we were looking for a hand dryer, we wanted exactly that.
The restrooms are considered the window to the kitchen. So when our guests go in our restrooms, it has to be spotlessly clean. And that's one of the reasons why we've invested in XLERATOR technology. When you look at other hand dryers out there in the market, nothing can compare to XLERATOR. They're absolutely the best in class of anything that we've looked at. And that's why from day one, that's what we built our facilities with.
Having the hand dryer is much more conducive to an effective, speedy work environment. Gives us more time on the floor, more time with our guests, and allows our business to be more profitable. The benefit to the guest of not having paper towels in the restroom for a sports fan is, as an avid sports fan myself, you don't want to miss a second of the game. We don't have that experience here. It's easy in, easy out. You wash your hands, you dry your hands, and you're back before the commercial's over, and you don't miss the game-winning interception.
Every touch point that our guests have in our restaurants, we want them to say, wow. And XLERATOR dryers are consistent with that. When our guests go into our restrooms, they're going to have that top-of-the-line technology and that outstanding experience that they can expect in everywhere else in our stores.